Once you have your spline drawn and you want to make a mesh with it, the easiest way to do that is to add a spawner component and then drag your spline into the inspector property window and then set the spawn method to mesh, and then you'll have this mesh drop down in which you can grab any material, drop it into the slot. There are a few options in here. The first is the mesh shape. You can control which type of shape you want. There's a couple of provided shapes, and then there's a custom, which the custom allows you to draw your own extrusion profile in the inspector window here. You can shift click to add new points, or right click to delete points. And some of the other settings are the mesh quality, which controls how dense the mesh rings are, the scale along the normalized arc length, and then the scale parameter, the base scale I should say. You can also edit the UV settings. Let's swap to a grid pattern. There's the U tiling, which goes radially along around the mesh, and then obviously offset, and then the V mode, which goes along the arc length. You can set that as well. Optionally, you can generate a collider for your mesh as well, and you can save your mesh as a prefab. And just save it anywhere in there, and you'll be able to drag it back. Just the mesh, it'll just be the mesh object itself. It won't have any of the spawner components or spline components attached to it. And that is the basics of the mesh spawner in TrackFlow Pro.